The House will debate a bill to drastically reduce the cost of 250 of the most expensive prescription drugs on the market. AARP supports the bill because it'll save some Americans thousands of dollars on their medication. Still, there is opposition. Critics argue reducing profit margins takes away the incentive for drug companies to pursue potentially life-saving medicines.
James Woods has been blind since 2006, the result of his type 1 diabetes. Woods wears a pump to regulate his insulin dosage. A transplant recipient, he's required to take other medicines to deal with conditions related and complicated by the diabetes.
It would be thousands of dollars a month.
You can add Woods' name to the list of patients supporting a bill which would allow Medicare to negotiate the price of prescription drugs.
And the insurance companies haven't been able to do it to this point, so the only way to intercede is the government health insurance.
The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office projects the bill could result in a savings of $500 billion within 10 years.
This is an incredibly expensive, incredibly high risk.
The legislation is not without its critics, among them Arizona Congressman David Schweikert. Schweikert says if the bill becomes law, investments in new life-saving drugs like a vaccine for cancer could potentially slow to a crawl because drug companies would have less incentive to spend money on risky trials that often fail.
Do we have a moral obligation to at least not rip this opportunity away? And my fear is bills like H.R. 3 do incredible violence to that future that's incredibly optimistic.
There are competing bills in the Senate, including the Affordable Prescriptions for Patients Act, which Arizona Senator Martha McSally is a co-sponsor. The bill encourages competition but does not allow Medicare to negotiate the prices.
The House is expected to vote on the bill Thursday. Arizona Representatives Tom O'Halloran, Ruben Gallego, and Ann Kirkpatrick have said they are voting for it.